Alright, let's take a look at SPM year 2019, paper 1 questions number 23. A survey was carried out on the household income distribution among a group of potential buyers by a housing developer company. Table 1 shows the findings of the survey. So this is table 1. And the housing developer plans to provide a housing scheme for a medium income group. The developer identifies this group by excluding those in the top 25% and bottom 25% of the distributions. So rows qualify for the scheme. What is the range of rows income? Round your answer to the nearest RM. So this question number 23 gives us 4 marks. Alright, first of all, this is a statistics questions. So top 25% means that third quartile. Bottom 25% means that the first quartile. So the first thing we need to find out is the total number of families that the housing developer company doing surveying on. So the N, total number of family, which is N, is equals to 150 plus 208 plus 250 plus 160 plus 143 plus 49. The answer is 960, meaning there are 960 of families that gone through this survey. Alright, so then the next thing is that we need to find out the first quartile class. Alright, so the first quartile class, Q1 class, is equals to T 960 divided by 4 will be the T 240. So the T 240 is 2000 to 2999 is there are only 150 families. So number 240 terms is somewhere around here. Okay, the household income is 3000 to 3999. So it is 3000 to 3999. Alright, so how about the Q3 class? Since we are looking for Q1 and Q3, first quarter and third quarter, we need to find out what is the Q1 class and what is the Q3 class. So Q3 class will be equals to T3 multiply 960 divided by 4. And this will be 720 term. 720 term. Which is which one? So 150 plus 208, I will get 358. 358, I add another 250. 358 plus 250, I'll get 680. Okay. Then 680 plus 160. On this one, I will have 768. So that means my Q3 class is on 5,000 to 5,999. So 5,000 to 5,999. Alright, so let's find out what is the first quartile, Q1. Q1 is equals to, the formula will be L Q1 plus N over 4 minus F Q1 C. So LQ1 is the lower boundary of the Q1 class. So Q1 class is 3,000 to 3,999. So the lower boundary will be 3,000 plus 2,999 divided by 2. You will get 2999.5 plus n divided by 4. N divided by 4 is 240. So 960 divided by 4 is 240. So let me write 960 divided by 4 minus F. F is the cumulative frequency before the Q1 class. Alright, since the Q1 class is at here, right? So the cumulative frequency will be 150. So minus 150 divide FQ1. This is a frequency of Q1 class, which is 208. C. C is the class size. So the class size will be the upper boundary minus the lower boundary. So upper boundary will be 3999.5 minus 2999.5. Alright, so the answer will be 3432. Okay, so this is our Q1. So let's take a look at Q3, third quartile. LQ3 plus 3n over 4 minus F over FQ3 and then C. Multiply C. LQ3 is the lower boundary of Q3 class. So Q3 class we found it is at here. So the lower boundary will be 5000 plus 4999 divided by 2. I will get 4999.5 plus 3n divided by 4. 3n divided by 4 is the T. This is a Q3 class, okay? So this is 3 multiply 960 divide 4 minus F. F is the cumulative frequency before the Q3 class. That is 150 plus 208 plus 250. So 150 plus 208 plus 250 over FQ3. So FQ3 is the frequency of Q3 class. In this case will be 160. Then my C. My C will be the Q3 class size. So that means it's the upper boundary minus the lower boundary, which is upper boundary is 5999.5 minus 4999.5. Okay. And then our answer is 5700. So that means the salary, the gross income have to in between 3,432 and 5,700 in order for her to qualify for the scheme. Alright, so therefore, gross income is in between 5,700 and 3,432 ringgit Malaysia. Alright. Alright, so that's all for now. I'll see you next time.